Good morning, students. I am very happy to welcome you in this online class. Also, I am happy to say that you're ninth grade students. Am I right? Students, I hope you're safe. Also, in another way, I hope you're enjoying your holiday. It is your first day of class, so students, first day itself, you concentrate your subject, pray well and study, and you'll have a better future. This is your max class. Max is a different language. This is not like other subjects, but it is easy to understand. Today we can learn ninth grade first unit set language. This is an important and new topic for you because this is the basic of 10th max first unit. So students, just listen the class, you will understand it easily, okay? Before start the lesson, let's see some images for your understanding. See the image. We can say this is collection of dresses. This is collection of numbers. This is collection of alphabets. This is collection of animals. What is it? Can you guess it? Yeah, this is collection of shapes. See, this is collection of fruit. This is collection of electronic items. So, our set is a well-defined collection of objects. The meaning is set is a collection. Okay, set is a collection of objects. But only thing is it is well defined. The meaning of well defined is, look at, when we see the picture, we can say it is collection of fruits. I may say. So after seeing this picture, will you say it is animal? No, these are fruits. We can say it. After seeing this set, we can say it is a collection of electronic items. I'll give an example now. See this image. We can see animals, birds, human beings, some other non-living things. Can you say it is a proper group, otherwise proper collection? No, so we cannot say it is a set. So set means that is a well-defined collection of object. Are you clear? Again, I am repeating this definition. It is a one more question. A set is a well-defined collection of object. Okay. In your book, some examples are given. See this box. Which of the following are set? The question they ask, you can find out whether it is set or not. Collection of natural numbers. Whether it is set or not? Yeah, because the set contains only natural numbers. You know what are the natural numbers. So it is a set. Next one, collection of English alphabets. It is a set or not? See, in English alphabets there are 26 letters. So definitely it is a set. Look at collection of good student in a class. How can you measure this abstract thing good? How can you measure the thing good? Can you say a student doing homework, that students are good students? Sometimes the students may not completed the homework tomorrow. How can he tell that is the good students? Some teacher may say those who are writing well, that students are good students. But in fact, those who are writing good, not all the students are good students. Some of them are low in study. So we cannot measure this good. So definitely it is not a set. Clear now? Now, collection of states in our country. You know how many states are there in our country? 29 states. So we can say that, we can name the states. So definitely it is a set. So last one, collection of beautiful flowers in a garden. Look, today a flower may be beautiful, but tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, what is the condition of the flower? Can you say always a flower will be a beautiful flower? No, we cannot measure this beautiful. Okay, so it is not a set. So like that you can identify what is set. Are you clear now? So now we are going to learn how can we represent, otherwise how can we identify the sets in mathematically using symbols and numbers? That there is given as notation. Okay, notation. A set is usually defined by capital letters of the English alphabet, A, B, C, D, etc. up to Z. So, in English alphabets you have 26 letters, but you have to use only English capital letters to mention the set. I am writing, for example, if I write A, we can say it is a set. Okay, why they are mentioning it is in capital letter? Because in a set we have elements like, look at A, B, C, D, E. So we can say it is a set contains the elements A to E. So elements you can use small letters. So elements, small letters. Set we can use with capital letter. So it is known as set. So I can written another set. B equal to set of all odd numbers. So I can written as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Okay. See, this is collection of odd numbers. I mentioned the set with capital letter B. Okay. So not only A, B, you can use any English alphabet up to Z. So capital letter, wherever you see the capital letter, you should remember that's a set. Okay. So in future, wherever you see the capital letter, you should remember that is a set. So if you see the small letter, that are elements. Okay, that are elements. Listen, the element of a set is written with curly brackets. So now this curly bracket, it is one type of bracket. See, I use the curly bracket to write the elements. Look at, I use the curly bracket to write the element that is given there. The element of a set is written within curly bracket. So practice it. Okay, how to write the curly bracket. So practice it well, then only you can draw it. Next one. If X is an element of a set A or X belongs to A, we write X belongs to A. What do you understand from this sentence? So look at, I am using this example. A. If you take small a, this A is the element of the set capital A. Okay. So I can say this small a belongs to the set capital A. In symbol, I can say as A belongs to A. Okay. Also I can say B belongs to A because B is in the set A. So I can say B belongs to A. So what can I say next? C also belongs to capital A. Am I right? Then D also belongs to capital A. What about E? E also belongs to capital A. F. Whether F belongs to capital A? No. So we can say F does not belongs to capital A. So we will use the symbol. In future we will use the symbol with the letter. So wherever you see A belongs to capital A, you should remember this small a is an element of capital A, set A. Are you clear? So I hope you understand this. Or from this, can I write 5 belongs to B? See, can I write 5 belongs to B? Yes, I can write 5 belongs to B because 5 is in the set B. Okay, shall I write 2 belongs to B? We cannot write because 2 does not belongs to B. 2 is not in the set. Okay, so it is belongs to symbol. It is does not belongs to symbol. So next one. If X is not an element of a set A or X does not belongs to A, we write X does not belongs to A. Just now we I explain how to write it. So these are the notations. I'll repeat once again. So capital letter we will use for the set. Capital alphabets we will use for the set. Then elements we will denote with curly bracket. Then belongs to. The meaning is belongs to, you should remember. Then does not belongs to. One example is given in your book. The wording is, the order of listening the elements of a set does not change the set. The meaning is, it is a set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a set. The elements I used with curly bracket. The set is equal to 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. Okay, the order will not affect the set. Are we clear? So you may write 1, 2, 3 up to 5. Otherwise you can change the elements, no problem. Both sets are equal. So order does not affect the set. Also, then you can consider one element one time enough. For example, you don't need to write 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, just you can write 1 same as 1. So 1, 2, 3. That's enough. Okay, this is wrong. You cannot repeat the elements. Just you can write. You can listen the elements in only one time. This is given in your book, page number 2. Let's go to the example. See this first example, example 1.1. Consider the set A equal to set of all Ashwin, Murali Vijay, Vijay Sangar, Badrinath. Fill in the blanks with appropriate symbol belongs to or does not belongs to. Okay. Here the set A is given as set of all 4 bowlers. You know these bowlers? Indian bowlers. Ashwin, Murali Vijay, then Vijay Shankar, also Badrinath. They are from Tamil Nadu. Okay. Old bowlers also. This is your set. We have to put the symbol belongs to or does not belongs to. I am asking a question. When we can use the belongs to symbol? The element is in this set. We can use belongs to symbol. Does not belongs to symbol? If the element is not in the set, we can use does not belongs to symbol. Are you clear? So first one, look at Murali Vijay dash A. So Murali Vijay is in this group A or not? Check the set A. Yeah, Murali Vijay is here. So Murali Vijay is one of the elements of the set A. So we can write Murali Vijay belongs to the set A. Clear now? You listen it carefully because you will have a homework problem same like the example. Then Ashwin dash A. Check whether Ashwin is in the group A or not. Yeah, Ashwin is the first element of the set A. So we can say Ashwin belongs to the set A. Okay. Then Badrinath belongs to or does not belongs to? Look at belongs to because Badrinath is in the set A. So we can write as Badrinath belongs to A. Then Ganguly. Check whether Ganguly is here. No, Ganguly is not here. So we can write Ganguly does not belongs to the set A. Just you can check the set A. Ashwin is here, Murali Vijay is here, Vijay Shankar is here, Badrinath is here. But Ganguly is not here. So does not belongs to A. Same, Tendulkar. Check whether Tendulkar is here. No, Tendulkar is not in the set A. So you can use does not belongs to A. Okay. So this is your example 1. Next topic is representation of a set. So various method we can represent a set. See, I say that orally, that means in words. Also I represented in notation and symbols in mathematical way like that. We have 3 methods. Okay, listen it carefully. So you have to learn it because you have a question. Write the set in this form, these following 3 forms. So you have to know it. Representation of a set. Look at the collection of odd numbers can be described in many ways. Actually the set is collection of odd numbers. So what are the ways we can express it, describe it? Look at first method. We can use in words the set of all odd numbers. we are given in the words, am I right? Look at next one. It can be written as set of all 1, 2, 3. In simply we can express in mathematically 1, 3, 5. Whenever we can see this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. that are odd numbers. We can identify that. So verbally we can say that. Also in simply in mathematical way we can say that. Also it can be said collection of numbers x, where x is a odd numbers. It is the standard form. Where x is a odd number. It's a standard form, common form, standard form. It is a method to use the set in standard form. Okay, now we can go through it. First look at the descriptive form. See, in descriptive form, a set is described in words. So descriptive form means you have to remember that should be in words. Okay, how can we express the set of all vowels in English alphabet? See, it is in words. It is not in the symbol. Also, they didn't given A, E, B, O, U or alphabets. Simply they said in words the set of all vowels in English alphabets. Also, the set of all whole numbers. So these are a descriptive form. Don't forget, descriptive form means in words. Okay, in words. There should be any other. There won't be any other symbols or numbers. Only the words. See, next one is set builder form, or we can say it is a rule form. Set builder form or rule form. See, in set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. So it is a standard form. Okay, it is a standard form. Also, it is a common form. Okay, when you go to higher studies, mostly you will use this set builder form. Your kids only we are using this type of roster form. Okay, it is rule form, very very important. For example, x equal to set of all x such that, the symbol is such that. Okay, x is the vowels in English alphabet. Same example we given in the descriptive form, that is in words, but here we use the rule form, otherwise set builder form. Look at this symbol. This symbol, it is such that. Otherwise we can use a straight slash. It also stands for such that. Okay, such that. So how can you read it? It is equal to set of all x such that. This x is a vowels in English alphabets. This is known as rule form. Also, b equal to set of all x. How can you read it? Such that x is a whole number. So if we use the x, we can say that is rule form, otherwise set builder form. Okay. So third one is roster form or tabular form. Roster form or tabular form. The set can be described by listening all the elements of a set. So we have to write all the elements. We have to write all the elements. So that is known as roster form or tabular form. Look at, this is set A. I denote the set A with elements A, E, I, O, U. So it is set of all vowels. We given in the descriptive form. We given that it is set of all vowels. Look at, we given that in the set builder form x such that x is a vowel in the English alphabets. But here they given using the elements. So tabular form, mostly we will use the word roster form. Roster form means, that is, we should express with elements. A equal to A, E, I, O. The set B equal to set of all 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. means that is W, whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So in this form we given with elements. Okay, shall we recall what we learned? Three types. First one is descriptive form. In descriptive form we will use only words. Next one is rule form, otherwise set builder form. We will use x such that symbol. There will be some rule, but in roster form or tabular form we will use only the elements. Okay, you have to know. See the note. There are 3 dots is the example is called ellipsis. It indicates the pattern of the listened element continue to the same manner. You know that because we will use this for etc. If there is etc. symbol means you should know that this numbers will repeat. That means after 3, 4 will come, 5 will come, etc. So the name of this 3 dot is ellipsis. Clear now? See next example 1.2. Write the set of letters of the following words in roster form. So 2 words are given. You have to write set of letters. You know this word contains some letters. This word also have contains some letters. So your work is to have to collect and write the letters in roster form. Roster form. What is the clue I gave to you? Can you remember that? Roster form means you have to write with elements. So here the elements are letters. So first one, listen. First one, write it properly. Given. What is given in the first part? A, S, S, E, S, S, M, E, N, T. Am I right? So I can take the set as X. As your wish you can take, because in your question they didn't give anything. You can take A, B, your wish. I took it as X. That is equal to set of all letters in this word. Okay, so we are going to collect the letters. Set of letters. We are going to collect the letters. First letter A. Next letter S. Third letter. Again yes. Do we need to write that again? No. Already we learned that you can consider, otherwise you can listen only one time a element. So 2 times we can write only one time enough. Then E. S already we written. Then M. E already written. N. Then T. So using this word, this set of letters, using this set of letters, we can make this word assignment. Same thing. Can you guess that? Given. What is given? Second one. Principal. Principal. So this set I can take as Y. Y equal to. Our question is we have to write the set of letters in this word. So first letter P, next letter R, then I, N, C. Next one is I. We already written I, so no need to write that again. Next letter P. We already written P. No need to write that again. Then A. Then L. So using this letter, set of letters, we can form the word principal. So this is the today's portion over. You can ask your doubt in this interactive sections. Also, I'll give some homework for you. Homework is exercise 1.1, question number 1, 2, 3. This is your homework. Don't forget, do it. I'll ask in the next class. Thank you.